friends. I hope everyone is fine. In today's video, we are going to see about 6 very important WhatsApp tricks. Most of them know these tricks and few may not know. Just we'll recall if you know that. First trick is custom notification. That is, we'll be having lot of groups in WhatsApp, right? In this pandemic, of course, more than 10 groups everyone will be having. But lot of messages will be there in that group. So we don't want to miss some favorite group or from the message from the favorite person. But we will get lot of messages. So to avoid that, you can choose that favorite person or that favorite group. Just select that person or group, just touch that profile picture. This custom notifications, first option is mute notification, second is custom notification is there, no, just touch that. So use custom notification. Now I made it as enable, so for you it will be disable, it is there, so touch that, the tick mark will be there, right? Notification tone, this message notification, right? This third one, a notification tone is there, just select that. We'll be having lot of option like this, different tones, message tone will be there, so you can select it like that. For your favorite person or for the favorite group alone, you select that ringtone, that message tone, and you can give OK. So whenever you get the message from this person or from that group, you will get the different notification sound in that message. So you can easily identify, oh, this is a very important message from that person or from that group, and you can see, you no need to see everything. So next thing is audio mute. This is also very important. If your friend is asking to send some that is video, right? So you don't want to send the audio, or that favorite video is there, only the video you want to send, not that audio, means that also possible. So select that person. Okay, then attachment, no, touch that attachment, go to the gallery and select that video that you want to send. Okay, I selected that video. See, at the top you will be having, so like this, up to 15 seconds it is there. I don't want to send the whole 50 seconds. Actually the video is with the audio.
Happy
See, like this.
birthday.
Okay, so audio is there, so I don't want to send that audio, video alone I want to send. The two from here, just see, you can crop, you can trim that audio also. So like that speaker is there, no, so if you touch that speaker, it is muted now. So you can send, you can touch that touch button and you can send to that person. Yes, now it is loaded. Yes, now if you touch that, see, the audio is not there, that too only 7 seconds. Okay, audio is not there. See here, just I started playing, right? Full volume is there. I started. Yes. Okay, fine. Like this, you can trim that video without the audio also. It is possible to send in WhatsApp. This is the second trick. Third one is DP. If you want to hide the DP from your some person or like that, means just touch the three dot at the right side, no, right side, touch the three dot, go to that second, touch the three dot, settings, you go to the settings, and then in the accounts is there, right? In that privacy is there, touch that privacy. See, profile photo, so I gave it as my contact, whoever in my mobile contact, no, they can visible, they can view my status, that is a DP. Okay, nobody want to see my DP, means just you can give nobody profile photo, right? So everybody means everyone can see your DP. So nobody, if no one want to see your DP means nobody you can give, and only contacts means you can give that contact. This is the third trick. And fourth one is it's very important, and disappear message. So that is possible in WhatsApp. Yes, that is possible. Just touch that person. Okay, touch that profile picture, and in that custom notification is there, no? Right. Not in custom notification. Yeah, here itself it is there. See here, media visibility, and then disappear message is there, no? So disappear message, touch the disappear message. Now it is in off. See here itself the instruction is given. Turning on the setting will make new messages disappear for this chat after 7 days. That is, whatever the chats you are doing to that particular person, so after 7 days that message will disappear. Just disappear message on. Okay, now it is in on. So how you can just come back, how you can identify means, see here near to that person DP clock like that it is there, right? So this is the disappear message settings. So here also, see here, you turn on disappearing message. The new message will disappear for this chat after 7 days. Whatever we are doing the chat now, after 7 days it will disappear. The important thing here is that person, right? The person, whoever you gave no, the disappear message, that person also have to make the same settings, then only it will work. This is the fourth trick, that is disappearing message. Yes, I hope this also will helpful. And then fifth trick is pin. So the same problem, will be having lot of messages, so all the messages, no, one by one it will go down. Okay, so but you don't want a message from that favorite person or from that group like that, means just touch that person. See here, like pin is near to the delete pin like that is, no, touch that. So that group, that person or group, that able to pin. So I pin 3 group. So whatever the messages it is there in my mobile, the 3 group will be at that group, or the person will be at the top, that we are giving the priority to that group or that person like that. So we'll try to another one, just another group, just pin. So it shows you can only listen. See, I try to give this pin. So you can only pin up to 3 chats. Yeah. See here, already I didn't know 3 chats is there. So 3 chat, only 3 chat is possible. So we can pin that 3 a person alone. So this is the fifth trick. And next thing is video call. So video call, right? So in this WhatsApp, video call is also possible. 8 persons we can do the video call. So here, if you touch it, so video call also possible for 8 persons. They are trying to do this. WhatsApp is trying to do up to 50 persons, as like of Google Meet and then Zoom and all is, that is also possible. So I hope this video will be very useful. And after seeing this, my favorite is that as a video call, 8 persons video call we can do. And then second one is that disappearing message, that's my favorite. I like that the tricks which I liked. So like that, what tricks you liked from this 6 tricks, and you can command me. Be safe and be happy. Thank you.